Hey team, I wanted to hop on, well, it's not live, but record this anyway, and give you guys some tips that we've been using to battle all of the seasonal changes in the pollen that's out there, because both Jared and I have been struggling the last week, and pretty much no matter where you live, it seems like I'm hearing people are struggling with all of the sinus stuff. So I wanted to share a couple of oily things that we do to help us with this, and another practical tip that I have Jared here to help me show you, because it would be hard to do just on my own face. So with the oils, we like to blend lemon, lavender, peppermint in the diffuser. You do equal parts of each one and run that as often as you like. You can also put it in a roller bottle and top it off with whatever carrier oil you want to use. But again, no matter what you're blending this in, it would just be equal parts of the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. Some other oils that you can add to that would be copaiba or tea tree. Some people like to add those or both to kind of give it an extra little bit of power and kick, I guess. So those are some options you have. That would come right in your starter kit, which is great. But then I also want to show you a massage technique that I learned from some random video on Facebook last year that has really helped us. So there are spots on your face here at like the insides of your eyebrows, and then also if you put your fingers kind of along the insides of your cheekbone, right along kind of the sides of your nose, you'll feel that there's kind of an indentation right about here. And what you can do is just push on those and gently massage them. You do want to use a little bit of pressure, and that's going to start to loosen things up in there, and you'll feel it start to like drain into your throat. And if you hear this ridiculous rain, that's because it just started pouring as soon as we started filming. But you can rub on that and then just gently move it away. You don't need to push hard. You just need to kind of move the skin under your fingers, and then you can do the same up here along the insides of the eyebrows, and then just kind of follow that out along the eyebrow. So that really helps. Another massage technique you can do is what we call a lymph massage. So typically I would do this with Jared laying down. You can also do the like sinus ones with you laying down as well. But with a lymph massage, you don't need any pressure. All you want to do is just gently move the skin underneath the fingers. So you don't have to push really at all. You just want to feel that skin move. So what I do is I do 50 passes like this, which kind of opens up an area in the lymphatic system for everything else to drain into. So you're going to do like 50 passes here. You can do as many as you want. 50 is just kind of a good number to make sure everything's drained. Then you're going to come up here under the ears and go down the sides of the throat. Because whenever you do a lymph massage, you always want to be working toward the heart. So you can do a lymph massage even like for your legs and your arms and stuff, but you always want to be working toward the heart. So you're going to go like this here 50 times. Then I like to come here, similar to the massage before, and drain all this out. And then I come up to the forehead and drain this way, down the sides. And then what I like to do is just do another few passes all the way down to kind of finish it off. So I hope those are helpful for you. It's really helped us. I did one for Jared just the other day, and honestly in church this morning when we were praying, I was working on these spots to try to drain myself out because I was struggling. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and thank you for coming in to help me.